Hello everyone. So welcome back to my channel The Tech Viper. So today in this video we will see how to create custom cursor animation using Figma. So without wasting time, let's see how to create it. So here you can see we are inside the Figma project now. So first of all, let's drop our assets. So here you can see we have dropped our assets, and let's change it to frame by clicking over here. And no need to worry, you will get everything in the description below. So now, first of all, let's drop a frame. By pressing F on our keyboard, let's create something like this. And by going over here, let's click on Unsplash. Let's put one image. Perfect. By selecting this, click over here, create component, and next click over here, create component variant, that is add variant. Now duplicate it for at least 6 to 7 times, something like this. Now selecting all the variants by holding shift, I will go to this plugin again section and click on Unsplash. Now I will click on Extract again. And you can see different images popped over here. That's perfect. Now let's select the first image, and by holding Option, let's duplicate it. Now let's create a small frame again, something like this, and put it over here and align it. Now selecting the frame, let's remove the fill and let's remove the clip content. Perfect. Now select all, and by holding Option again, duplicate it. That's great. Now selecting the image, and by holding Shift and Option, as I am using Mac, just decrease the size like that, and turn down is opacity to 0. Perfect. Now selecting both, I will click over here. Now I will create component set. Now by selecting the first frame, I will go to prototype. I will connect to this frame. It will be on mouse leaf, smart animate, change it to custom bezier, change it to somewhat 400, and this will take it to something. Let's do it manually. It will be 0.7, 0, 0.44 and 1 point. That's perfect. And the rest remains the same. Now let's select this one and connect with this one. This will be after delay. Change it to 100. Perfect. Custom bezier, change it to 300 now. And this one is 0.70, 0.33. Let's make it 33. And 0.99. Perfect. So now what we will do, let's go to design again. We will just copy this one and paste it over here, something like this. Let's duplicate it again and just cover the entire frame. Now let's select all again. And just keep on covering the entire thing. Now let's select all and group it. Now you can just middle group. That's it. Now if I prototype it, you can see this popped over, right? But it's not randomized. So we need to make it randomized. So how we can do that? Let's go over here. Let's select this group. Hit one enter and hit enter again. Then it selected all the images. Now I will go over here and I will just search for randomize variants. What is the plugin name? Randomize variants. I will just click on it and I will just click on randomize. That's it. Now I want to change the orientation. So how we can do that? That's also simple. I will select this group again and just click one enter. That is, I will select all the components now. Now I will go over here and I will select property randomizer. And you can see here it's directly I have used did it earlier, so it's coming up directly. But it will come something like that. Just need to activate it. You need to change the values to -10 minimum and max to 10. And just click on randomize. That's perfect. And now if I look into it, you can see something like that. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe and share with others who are in need. Till then, take care. I will see you in the next video.